Hey everybody, Curly Sue back with another video, and today, as you can see, it is time for me to wash my hair, and I am back with another Aunt Jackie's review tutorial. And today I will be using the Repair My Hair Argan Oil, which contains black castor oil, and it is amazing for dry hair or dry scalp. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying some of the argan oil to my scalp, and as I'm doing that, I am massaging my scalp, and this promotes hair growth and also prevents breakage. So I'm finishing up massaging my scalp. I will now put up my hair up in a pineapple and let the oil sit on my scalp for about 45 minutes. This method is also known as pre-pooing your hair, and that's what you do before washing your hair. After pre-pooing my hair, I like to clarify my scalp, and of course I will be using the Power Wash Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo by Aunt Jackie's, which is one of my favorites. And now I'm going to be applying the Recovery Conditioner as a deep conditioner, and I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes. Deep conditioning my hair is absolute key for me. I think because of the fact that we have curly hair, we must take care of it, and especially deep conditioning, it is a must. Once a week, I always recommend it. Our hair could tend to get dry from everyday wear, so by moisturizing our hair once a week, it always helps. I love using the thirst quenching recovery conditioner after using the intense moisture clarifying shampoo because I feel like it's the perfect balance, and I love to use a comb after applying the conditioner to distribute the product and make sure I apply it all over my hair. I will now let the conditioner sit on my hair for about 10 to 20 minutes. After rinsing out the conditioner out of my hair, I had to style my hair using the Ice Curls Glassy Curling Jelly along with the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse to set the curls. I will now let my hair air dry for about 30 to 40 minutes. These are now my final results. I love the way my hair feels, especially after clarifying my scalp, which is always a must. Thank you so much for watching my video. You could catch me at Curly Sue Official on Instagram, and I'll be back for some more.